What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how you can earn money on Telegram for referring people to subscribe to Telegram channel, YouTube channel, and following Justice on Instagram, and you get paid. So the task is just simple. As you can see, each person you refer, you get paid 2 cedis 50%. Each person you refer. So, and the minimum withdrawal is 25 Ghana cedis. And the payment mode is through Momo. As you can see, I did a withdrawal of 40 Ghana cedis. I did a withdrawal of 40 Ghana cedis and I received the money. As you can see, this is the payment I received. Yeah. So I made a withdrawal of 40 Ghana cedis and this is the payment I received from them. So this side is really working. It's very legit and 100% safe. The task is very simple. You just refer people to subscribe to a Telegram channel, subscribe to a YouTube channel, and follow him on Instagram. Just 3 steps, then you get paid. So I'll be showing you all these steps, how you can follow them, then you get paid. But before I continue, please, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give a thumb up, and share this video with your friends. As you can see, the economy is hot for a lot of us. We want ways to cash out from the internet. And people are cashing out over 100 Ghana, 60 Ghana, 50 Ghana. If you refer 50 people, that's about 100 Ghana. So as you can see, it's really rewarding. As you can see, that's my aiming. So I'll be showing you the steps involved in how to get started. So for the purpose of this video, I created another Telegram account so that I can use it for the tutorial. So let me switch to that account and I'll show you how it works. Yeah. So this is my new account I created so that I can use it for the video for the tutorials. Now let me go to WhatsApp. So this is how the link will be. This is how the link will be, as you can see. So you click on the link. You take it to your Telegram. Then you see this button, start, down here. Then you click on it. Now it will give you 5 links. So you click on each of these 5 links to perform the task. So first click on link 1. The first one. You first click on link 1. Now it has taken us to a Telegram channel or a group. So you click on join. So when you click on join, then you go back and click on link 2. So when you click on link 2, it will take you to another channel. Then you click on join. When you click on join, as you can see, I was saying, see the withdrawal that people are making. See, somebody made a withdrawal of 150 Ghana for free just by referring people. So it's really rewarding, guys. As you can see, all these are withdrawal requests. 47 Ghana cedis, 25 Ghana cedis, 65 Ghana cedis. People are cashing out as much as 200 Ghana cedis, 100 Ghana cedis, 40 Ghana cedis, 25 Ghana cedis. This is the payment they did, as you can see. Yesterday, anybody who did withdrawal received his or her money. This is the payment they made. They're really paying, as you can see. They're really paying. Let me even check whether I will see my name. A lot. They're paying. They're really paying. Let me check. 70 Ghana cedis, 35 Ghana cedis. So guys, this is crazy. It really works. So I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up and start earning. Well, I wanted to see whether I can show you my own, but it's not here. But I already show you that in the message. So now let's go back and continue with our task. So we are left with three links. So you click on the third link, then you click on open. It will take you to YouTube. So this is the guy, Alva Justice. So you click on subscribe. He's a forex trader and he's loaded. Get money, wow. So after you subscribe, then you come back. You go back to Telegram. Now you click on link 4. Now it will take you to Instagram. And this is Instagram page. I'm already following him. So I'll just go back. But since you are starting, you see follow. Then you click on the follow. You click here to start following him. But I'm already following him. So then you go back. Now let me the last link. Link 5. Then we'll click on it. It will take us to Twitter. So you click on follow. Top here. So now I've started following him on Twitter too. Now let me go back to Telegram. So now on Telegram, you click on check. After you are done with the 5 links, you click on check. You are invited by Pitasco. So if you click on my link, this is what you see after you have successfully done with the task. So this is what you see. You have been invited by user Pitasco. So now, after that now that you have finished joining, you click on referrals to get your referral link here. You click here to get your referral link. So now this is your referral link. You copy it and send it to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever they are, so that they will click on it to also do the same process. So if each person is able to perform those tasks that are so the 5 links, open those 5 links, subscribe and follow him. After doing that, you get rewarded per each person. But for you doing this, you will not get paid because this is just for creating the account. So now my account is empty. But if I'm able to refer anybody with this link, the person has successfully performed all the 5 tasks, I will get 250 pesos from the person. So you get 250 pesos per each referral. So now let's go to my old account, the one that I first show you, so that you can see you can see this earning. I'll come here and switch to this one. As you can see, yeah, state balance was changed. Current value. User has joined the board using your referral link. So I just joined using my referral link and I've gotten 250%. As you can see. So right now I have about 15 Ghana cedis. I just withdrew 40 Ghana cedis. So 40 Ghana cedis plus 15 Ghana cedis, that's 55 Ghana cedis. All this for free, guys. It's not that you are paying somebody, or it's just by referring people on Telegram to do some tax and you get paid. There's no risk in this. You are not paying anybody any money. So just give it a trial. As far as you know that you can get 10 people, that is the 25 Ghana cedis, so that you can cash out. So I'm just waiting. When I reach 25 Ghana cedis, I'll cash out again and continue with my tax. As you can see, these are all my earnings. These are all my earnings. So the withdrawal method, when you request for the withdrawal, you click on, let me show you how you can withdraw in case you reach the minimum. You click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, it will ask you enter amount of cash you want to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw all your available balance, if it is 25 Ghana cedis, you must enter 25 Ghana. But if it is more than, and in case you want to withdraw less than that or everything, it's up to you. So you enter the amount you want to withdraw. So in my case, I entered 40 Ghana cedis. Then you have requested to withdraw 40 Ghana cedis. Set wallet. So they'll ask you to set your wallet details, the Momo number, name. So this is how you enter the Momo number, the Momo details. As you can see. Oh, it's covering. Yeah. You see the way I just said, this is how you enter it. Momo number. Then you enter your mobile money number. Then name. You enter the name on the Momo, the name you registered with the mobile money number. If they are sending the name doesn't match with what you kept on the Telegram, they will not send the money. So after that, they'll ask you to confirm whether you have really want to do the cash out. Then you click on confirm button. It's a button. You click on confirm. Then it will come this state of balance was changed. So after that, you have a pending request. Then it takes about, it depends on the withdrawal. I think they accumulate the withdrawal request before they start paying. So if you withdraw, maybe some people did withdrawal yesterday and they received the money within yesterday. So within a day, but I did my own about last week ago. Then I received it yesterday. So guys, this is amazing and crazy. So I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up and start referring people to earn big on Telegram. And if you have more than 3 SIM cards, you can create additional 2 accounts on Instagram, Telegram. As you can see, I have about 3 accounts. So you can create 3 accounts on Telegram, and you use the accounts to sign up. This is what I started with. After I started with this, I use this to sign up, to refer myself. Then right now, I just use this to sign up again. Yeah, so you just create 2 additional accounts and refer yourself, then you get paid. So guys, that's all about earning on Instagram, the earning bot. So I'll leave a link in the description below. so that you can click on it to sign up. And after you sign up, just refer people and start earning. So guys, thanks for watching. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe so that you don't miss interesting video like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And when you are sharing this video with them, don't forget to give them your referral link so that they'll use that one to sign up instead of my own in the description. But since you are new to this channel and are watching from here for the first time, check in the description below to sign up and start earning on Instagram, Telegram rather. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.